Video to eh. So yeah, so it's been a long time, humbles. So today is my off. So kung nakikita nyo naman sa mga post ko on my kung nakikita nyo naman sa tawag nito, sa mga post ko sa Facebook, so I already transferred again dito sa dati kong shop. And then nandito ako sa labas. So I'm trying now the boya because it's windy. So it's windy today. So yeah, I'm just trying to. And then later I will go to Riyadh Gallery again for, you know, to buy my stocks. Yeah. And then yeah, I'm just trying, you know, the boya. So if you can see yep, I'm using it. Yeah, so it's quite windy. Then I'm trying, you know, the boya, the one I bought. I tried it because I tried it in Monosia, which is, you know, not really, you know, how can I say this one, we don't have the right test because it's not windy in the villa. So yeah, here it's windy, so I hope that there's no, you know, unnecessary sound, but you know, so I'm here outside. So as you can see, so this one is the American compound, American International School. So yeah, and then yeah, it's quite windy, mahangin siya. So kaya ako nagising kasi tinawagan ako ng quality control namin to, you know, to rotate some of the stuff. So yeah, so I already grabbed the opportunity because I cannot sleep anymore. So since it's my off, so I just, you know, make my laundry, and then yeah, what can I do? I can't sleep anymore. So yeah, it's quite windy, as you can see in my hair. Like yeah, my only 3 hairs. So yeah, later I will go to Riyadh Gallery and then I will buy. See you again later, guys. So yeah, yun na nga yun. Alis na kami. So kasama ko tong bago. So ayan. Ano pangalan mo ulit?
Peng.
Peng.
Just call me Peng.
Peng. Maaraw pa rin, guys. So yeah, where are we going? Dora. Ganon. So yeah, we're going to Riyadh Park because Riyadh Park is much more, you know, there's a lot of restaurant there. And then what else? Maybe we're going to try again the ice shaken white mocha from Starbucks, so that this guy can taste the difference between our ice shaken white mocha and then the ice shaken white mocha from the Starbucks, the original. Alright, see you in a bit. So yun, we are here now on taxi. Yeah. Nandun na yung kasama ko, busy nakikinig ng kung ano-ano. So yeah, this guy can speak English also. Can speak English, yeah? You can speak English, yeah? No. Cannot speak English. Cannot speak English, but he's saying no. So no is not English. So yeah, we're going now. guys. So, ayan. Ayan yung arena nila. Dahil kaarawan ko daw bukas. So, dahil may pasok ako bukas. So, ngayon na ako mag-Hollywood.
Happy birthday!
Sayo mo?
Siyang na-require mo, oh.
Oo, nga. Chinese na. Naging Chinese ako lang. So, ayan. We're going inside. We're going inside. Look at the outside. We're going inside. Okay. Ay, yung mga nakaparking ko mga kotse. Ay, yung mga kotse ko nakaparking. So, pili ka lang pa rin. So, yung mga nakaparking ko kotse. And we're going inside. You know? Harap. Guys, ulit. Baby shark. Yep. So what do you want? You want all? So how about this? This is this side. These are the notes. See? See? You can see how much? Almost 4,000. What can you say about the Note S Galaxy Note 10 Plus? See? 5,000. There you go. Yala.
I love you!